in a thanksgiving. The everything Jah giving, giving. From your melody, nothing argue with your rhythm. Well, nothing fit in self-submissive. As honoring the King of Kings. Yeah. Sunbeam on the sun ray. Yeah. In our thanksgiving. Yeah. The love in the kingdom. Completing the offerings in the kingdom. Completing the prayers in the kingdom. I found them strange. Yeah. What a more love and communion. Well, more thanksgiving and communion. In the kingdom of Elijah. In the kingdom of His Christ. Yeah. Serious thing. Redemption is a serious thing. The need to be redeemed is so much pain. But Rasta see it in the world. We're in so many layers of their built-up experience. Some not so good to say, some not so good to say. Hearing our realities together unknown to us. Oh, archetypal heroes and villains and sheroes and all. Archetypal heroes and sheroes and villains and shatters and all. Actors and actresses caught in your roles. That's what they call on you to play. In everyday life, the same way. What when you know that's not who you really are? When your sight set, that's not what you would ideally say. When they give you no chance to redeem your way, that's how man harden into cruelty and stay. Redemption, that's a serious thing. Redemption, serious thing. Need to be redeemed, there's so much pain. See it in the world. We're in every layer of built-up experience. Some not so good to say, not so good to say. Just hear our realities together, not to us. Oh, hey. Hero, shero, and all. Archetypal shatters of villain and sheroes and all. Actors and actresses, you're trapped in your roles. That's what they call on you to play. In everyday life, the same way. From you don't know, that's not who you really are. And when your sight say, that's not what you would ideally say. But now they give you no chance to redeem your way. That's how man harden into cruelty and stay. Look where they want to stay. Sunbeam and the sun ray. Yeah, in the thanksgiving. In the thanksgiving. For everything Jah giving. Yeah. In this time, in this blessing. are giving in. From your melody, not be argue with your rhythm. When not be fitting, self-submissive. Yeah, honoring the King of Kings. If you know Jah, religion, petroleum. Religion, petroleum, and the sheriff star shining. Inadvertently revealing their linkages. But good is over evil, them still can't win. If you know Jah, them still can't win from you. Yeah. Sunbeam and the sun ray. Compete in the thanksgiving in the kingdom. Compete in the praises in the kingdom. Compete in the friendships in the kingdom. I found them strange. Full love and communion. Offerings and communion. In the kingdom of Elijah, in the kingdom of Jesus Christ, the Lord of Spirits sent His Christ, and the night for their assembly has been denied, and the night for their assembly has been denied. Lord of Spirits sent His Christ. Yeah, yeah, in a thanksgiving, in a thanksgiving, in a thanksgiving, yeah. He is King of Kings, Lord of Lords, King of Kings, Lord of Lords. His horse and battle chariot, lion draw his chariot, King of Kings. Lightning and the thunder, the wind and the wave. Lion draw his chariot in the kingdom of Elijah. Sunbeam and the sun ray. Wind and the wave, heat, air and water, upon the lightning and the